In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Dropbox direct download link. If you've ever shared a file from Dropbox and the recipient only saw a preview page instead of downloading the file right away, this simple tweak will save you time. By the end, you'll have a clean link that immediately starts the download when someone clicks it. First, head over to Dropbox in your browser and open your account. From your files, locate the item you want to share. This works for things like PDFs, images, videos, zips, pretty much any single file you can store in Dropbox. Next, hover your mouse over that file and click Copy Link. Depending on your view, this may appear directly as Copy Link or be available after you click the Share option and then choose to copy the link. Either way, you're grabbing the standard Dropbox sharing URL for that specific file. Now paste that link into a simple text editor so you can see the full URL clearly. A basic notes app works fine. This makes it much easier to edit without accidentally missing a character, and you can copy the final version from here when you're done. Look at the very end of the URL and find the part that says DL at 0. That parameter tells Dropbox to open a preview page. To turn it into a direct download, change the 0 to a 1 so it reads DL11. Be careful to only change that single digit and leave the rest of the link exactly as it is. Keep all slashes, question marks, and any characters that came with the original link intact. You don't need to change the beginning of the URL or anything else, just that one value. With that small edit complete, you now have a direct download link. Share this modified link anywhere you normally would: email, chat, a website, or a button in a document. When someone clicks it, their browser will immediately start downloading the file or show a save dialog depending on their browser settings. There's no extra preview step, which makes the experience faster and more reliable for your recipients. A couple of quick tips as you use this: make sure you created the link from the exact file you want people to download, not a folder. Also, remember that the direct download still follows the same access rules as the original share link, so only people with that link will be able to fetch the file. That's it. Open Dropbox, copy the file's link, change DL0 to DL101, and share the new URL. Simple, fast, and effective.